So guys, this is how to cook some potato and some sausage. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this is my potato. I cut my own. I peel my potato. If you like, you can leave your own like that, but my own, I peel it. This is my sausage. I cut it, and my oil. I didn't use a lot of oil. This is my butter. So yeah, and my onions, my green onions, ginger and others, paprika. Yeah, this all that I use, and my spices. Yeah, I didn't add too much. So this all of them. It's my garlic powder, my onion powder, my all-purpose, black pepper. So this is my salt, of course. So this all I use to make the potato and sausage. So let's dive in to cook. So add a little bit of oil in the pan. You know, we have to fry the sausage first. Yeah, that's what I fried. So this oil in the pan, add a little bit of butter. As you can see, the oil is not much. Yeah, so this is it. I melted my butter and the oil. So I go in with my sausage to fry in the pan. So there the sausage goes. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys step by step of how I did it. I'm not gonna rush the voiceover, so watch carefully. If you want to do this, watch carefully and watch how to do it. Okay, yeah. So sometimes some people, they cook their own potatoes. I didn't cook mine, so you're gonna see how I did mine. I didn't cook it, but they cook and also fry it, right? So we sort of all fry our sausage. This is the sausage in the fire frying. Yeah. So at this time the sausage is done, so we're gonna scoop it out in a plate to fry our onion. So I use a red onion. Some people like white onion, right? But I use red on my own. So you can use whatever of your choice. I don't know. So this is my choice. I use red onion. So I go ahead. So I added another onion because the first one I added wasn't much. So I sliced some more to add. Yeah. So the onion has fried. You're gonna scoop. I put in the same plate. Yeah, so this is it. So I go in with another pan, the much bigger pan that's gonna contain the potato. So I go in and add my butter and little oil. Then I fried it. Sometimes some people, they like to cook their own before they fry, but I didn't do that. So I go in with my potato and my seasoning. This is paprika. I added some seasoning on it, so you can start frying all-purpose, audible. Yeah, so I'm going in with my salt and the black pepper, as you can see. So add everything together to allow it to, make sure everything incorporates together very well. Then I come back to add my little curry. I didn't add much. Yeah, so this is it. So I mixed everything together and it's coming together. You can see that it's frying already. So after that, I came back to stir, to flip them over so the ones in the back can come up, right? So that's what I did. So at this time it's done. It has fried already. So I go in with our fried onion and sausage, mix everything together, for them to incorporate. Yeah, so this is it. So I'm gonna stir everything together. Look at that, they're all coming together. But you see, so I go in and garnish with my green onion. Look at that, to make the lighten the color. So the food is coming up. So I cover it for it to steam a little bit. then I come back, everything is done. Voila, look at how that is looking. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this. It's very good and yummy. Yeah, so this is it. Let me know if you're gonna try this. It's a very good dish if you prepare it very well. So voila, thank you so much for watching. If you watch at this point, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button to subscribe for me. If you watch at this point, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button to subscribe for your girl. Right, look at that. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, love you all so much. Hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? So this is my baby girl. She was